actually have a very friendly, family-friendly atmosphere. We have a BetterClean library here, especially for the young kids. We have a couple of areas where it's set aside where the kids can grab a book they can read. We opened in March of 2016 with brand new machines and a very courteous staff and a friendly environment. My background as a Philadelphia Eagle is one of the most rewarding things that I've done in my life. I have customers that come in and say, "Where were you? We're looking for you." The actual layout of the laundromat was designed based on the old Eagle colors when I played. We also have murals here, and we have a wall of fame of some of my teammates. As the owner, I'm proud that a lot of the customers that come in have comments about how friendly our staff are, how helpful they are, how clean the place is, and that means a lot coming from the public, that they really appreciate what you built and they like the type of environment that you've set. The laundromat industry has come a long way. You know, there are larger machines, 80-pound machines, and now we have laundry cards, so it makes it so convenient for a customer. Instead of coming in with 10 rolls of quarters, they can just simply load money onto their laundry card and not necessarily have to worry about the dry, put money in for the dry because the dry is free.
Well, first of all, the service in here is great. Every time I pull up to the front, one of the girls or the guys come out to help you with your laundry, bring it in, and I love this place. It's very clean, and the owner is very knowledgeable.
So I invite everyone to come out to BetterClean Laundry, where we pride ourselves in being the friendliest, the cleanest, and the best laundry in Philadelphia.